Okay, before you buy a domain, I want to discuss these rules before you buy domain. Okay, because some people buy random domain names and after working on it for months, they decide to change for some reason, which is why I want to talk about few rules to keep in mind. Okay, now first rule. Okay, first tip: always select niche before you buy domain. Okay, guys, I've seen people, okay, they choose domain, okay, one domain, and they try to implement one niche blogs, and then suddenly after 2 months or 3 months they're gonna try to switch because the particular niche is not getting a traffic. They try to switch the niche, which will be irrelevant to domain and whatever you know the privacy policy important pages and about us pages they have mentioned. Okay, so you're not gonna do that. Always select niche before you buy domain. It will be very important. And let's say if you want to write blogs on fishing and fishing nets, okay, then the domain will be something like fishingpro.com or fishingpro.in or fishingpro.org, fishingtutorials.com, something like that related to niche. Okay, and then you consistently should blog about that niche. Now second thing is, you need to keep in mind, don't buy expired domains. Guys, I know many people, blogging gurus, they will tell you buy expired domains because they have already traffic and backlinks and etc etc. But you know what I think? They also contains invalid backlinks. I know buying expired domains which have a lot of backlinks, but as a beginner, you might not know how to actually identify which expired domains are good for your niche or blog site, okay? Because as a beginner, we don't want to go pick some random expired domain websites and see, it has a backlink so that you will get a lot of traffic. No, Google always favors helpful content and good blogs and good domain sites. Okay, buying expired domains also has spam score. I mean, the spam score will be like greater than 20%, but it is better to have zero spam score than have spam score 28. So which is why I tell you, do not buy expired domains. Now third thing, don't use irrelevant domain names. As I discussed, don't go choose one domain name and one niche domain name and then go for try another niche. Okay, let's say my website makemoneyraj.com, and if I try to write blogs on cat food and dog food, is it relevant? No. I mean, how could it be? So which is why very important to not use irrelevant domain names. If you want to go for broad, if you want to write broad articles which are very general, okay, you want to cover up all the topics, you can go with your own personal branding name. Okay, for example, I can go with the shekarone.com and I can write about anything. So that's a one advantage. Now fourth one, choose higher order domains. Choose either .com, .in, .org, anything is fine, but don't go for, there will be some site like .live, something, etc etc. Okay, don't go for only these higher order domains.